G'day curd nerds, welcome to the Cheese a Day Challenge. Today, day 18, we are going to try some real Parmigiano Reggiano. So this is the PDO, or the Protected Designation of Origin cheese. So this is the real deal. I can't really tell it's the real deal yet until I open it up, because it should have some markings on the rind where it has been etched, hot etched. With the maker's mark. So it says Parmigiano Reggiano, aged over 30 months, crafted in Emilia Romagna, I wish I could say that right, but northern Italy, to exquisite standard and matured for a minimum of 30 months. This very strong cheese boasts nutty notes with a savoury depth. Made in Italia. 30 grams, estimate. Alright, so let's try this. I don't have a grater with me. I'm not going to grate it today. Does it say what's in it? Let's have a look. It says milk, salt, animal rennet. That's it. Nothing else. Fat content is 29.7%, or grams per 100. Rightio. So, unwrapping the Parmigiano Reggiano. Seems to be quite a craft in itself. Oh, it's in a plastic wrapper. Righto. Okay, yep, it has the right markings. There's PDO on the other side, or DOP in Italian, same thing. Right, didn't know I needed a scissors to get into it. Very deceptive. So this is all in Italian. All this is some brand they put on it. So all the rest is in Italian. So it has been cryovacked, or for aging, not aging, for transport. It's aged naturally. Let's get into it. Oh, I can smell the nuttiness now already. There we are, nice and hard. It's in the bag inside out, I'm going to read it. Oh, now everything smells like Parmigiano Reggiano. Yeah, it's authorised by the Parmigiano Reggiano Consortio. Oh, so Consorzio. Alright, so it's a real deal, apparently. Alright, now I could grate it. The smell smells like... Oh, smells like parmesan. Oh, it's got that stink, that piquant funk that parmesan normally has. Can I just grate a bit using this? Oh yes, I can. This is good. So you can tell it's the real deal. There's a stencil that's been stenciled in. It's got the maker's mark. It says DOP. Normally it'd have Parmigiano Reggiano written all over it, but that's if you get the big, 60 kilo wheel. This is a thin wedge. You can imagine bigger than this, bigger than the platter here. But this is a small piece of the wheel. So yeah, it's authentic, all right. So it's the real thing, smells real. If that's such a thing. But yeah, definitely piquant, strong, what's the word I'm looking for? There is a certain nuttiness to it. Yeah, all right, let's try it. This is wafer thin, so I expect big surface area. Oh. You can't imitate that. You can try. Oh. That is delicious. Goodness me. There's a umami flavour that is really strong, piquant flavour, so a little bit spicy, but not hot and spicy. It's just got a flavour, and on the tongue it just melts. A little shaving, so perfect on pasta. or, you know, Caesar salad, anything that Parmesan goes with. Alfredo, beautiful. Oh, that flavour's going to linger in there for a while, I reckon. Oh, it is beautiful. Can I cut off a bit? Oh, now it's at the back of my tongue as well. Right, so there's a decent chunk. It's crumbly. It's just beautiful. Oh. Look, I make a good Parmesan style, right? But nothing doesn't compare to this. This is just amazing. So I'm glad they did cryovac it because it would have dried out. It's still got a little bit of moisture, just a little, just enough. But that, eaten as shaved or grated, is the perfect way to get the full flavour experience in your mouth. Just to die for. Beautiful cheese. You can see why it's a classic all the way through the world. And there's been many, many imitators of it. But this is the real deal. Parmigiano Reggiano. Just absolutely perfect. What more can I say? Go and buy some, put it on your pasta. Get the real stuff. I wouldn't go for the fake stuff. You can make it yourself, but it's certainly not as good. But it has some similarities in flavour. The home cheesemaker can certainly make something close to it, but not like it. So, hate to put a downer on my own craft, being a home cheesemaker, but this is just absolutely perfect and heavenly. So, if you're into Parmesan, or the real thing, Parmigiano Reggiano, then you can't go past getting a piece of the PDO cheese. So that was day 18, Parmigiano Reggiano, PDO. Beautiful cheese. Tomorrow, got another Millerwa cheese, and it's going to be a Normandy style camembert made with cow's milk. Now, I don't know if it's raw milk. I'm not sure. I don't think they're allowed to make that here in Australia. If they do, it'll be very strict. But we'll give it a try. It's by Millerwa, as I said. So it should be quite an exceptional little cheese. We'll give that a try. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to check out how I made Parmesan style, not quite as good as this, of course, then you can go and check out the video in the end card or in the info card. If you want to check out this amazing apron, then I will also put a link in the info card and in the description below. Well, thank you for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.